If you want your UI to go from this to this, then I think you should follow me around the video. If you have clicked on this video, it means that you are tired of using the stock Android UI that Samsung gives us, and you want to effortlessly shift it to something you like. The first thing you're gonna need to change how your UI looks is Good Lock. It is either installed on your Galaxy smartphone or you can either download it from Galaxy Store. Once it opens, you're gonna go to Theme Park, click on Create New and select a pitch black wallpaper and just simply click on Next. Here you are going to get an overview of how your UI is going to look after you apply your theme. So keep an eye on what you are doing so it looks perfect. In your theme, click on the Control Center button and do exactly as I am doing. Just ensure that the background color is set to black instead of gray, so it looks minimalist instead of just a boring UI. When you are done tweaking it into minimalist black UI, just save your theme and apply it. It's gonna take some time, just 10 to 15 seconds, and you're good to go. But you also need to change your icons, so go in the icons section and change the icons exactly as I am doing. The main thing that matters here is the angle. If you want it to look sleek, perfect, minimalist, iOS-like setup, you have to ensure that the angle looks clean. When it all gets done, you just go to the icon section and select monochrome, and boom, your UI will look way better than it was. So you just save it and you also apply it. After this, your phone would look completely different, but there would still be a problem that is still killing the look of your phone. And the problem here is the icon names. It looks very boring and it is the complete opposite of minimalist. So you just go to Home Up, go to App Icon Setting, and here turn the two options off. Now what you have in hand right now is what we call a great minimalist sleek iOS-like UI which a man needs. If you want more deep dives and tutorials like these, just subscribe the channel and keep up with us. Thanks for watching.